Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at the general crypto market. We have a very green day in the crypto market. All coins are pumping. It looks as if they are recovering really hard. EOS is up 19%, Lido Dio is up 12%, Chiliz is up 17%, Tonite is up over 15% in the last 24 hours. Guys, we're also taking a look at Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin is still in no man's land. Bitcoin is currently trading for $21,000. Ethereum is trading below $1,600. Is Bitcoin and Ethereum going to fall and break this structure? Are we going to set new lows in this cycle? Or are we going to pump into new highs? We'll also be looking at new stories happening in the crypto world. And then we'll be checking the alt season index. Is alt season over? Should we start selling our altcoins right now? We will be talking about that and more in this video. But first, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's get down to business. Guys, today is a very green day in the crypto market. All coins are pumping. We really have Celsius down 16% in the top 100 coins. That's good to see. But guys, if we go on the weekly, a lot of these coins are still down. Many of them are down 22%, 23%. Some of them are down as high as 38% in the last 1 week. Just EOS is up 40% in the last 1 week. That's good to see. Guys, if you take a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin is still in no man's land. Bitcoin went to as high as $25,000 in this relief rally, but it looks as if Bitcoin is losing all the gains we used the last 4 weeks to get. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at $21,100. Bitcoin went below $21,000 during this dump. A lot of people are saying the long getting liquidated, but people are calling for lower lows. I've seen people calling for $14,000 Bitcoin. A lot of market participants think Bitcoin is going to head to 14,000 before we head to 28,000. Guys, if you look at Bitcoin's price history, there's always a retracement after its kind of huge dumps. If you look at what happened in 2018, after Bitcoin topped in December 2017, Bitcoin dumped for the next 1 year. And after that dump, what happened? Bitcoin had a retracement. Bitcoin dumped 83% in 364 days. After that, Bitcoin had a retracement rally of more than 200% in 189 days. Is history repeating itself? Because guys, from the all-time high for Bitcoin right here, you can see that Bitcoin from the 8th of November has dropped more than 74%. Now, a lot of people are still calling for Bitcoin to continue dumping lower because in the previous bear markets, we see that Bitcoin usually dump around 82 to 84%. And if Bitcoin is going to repeat that same trick in this bear market, we see Bitcoin trade for $14,000. But some people are saying this time is different. Guys, do you think this time is different? I actually believe this time is different. We might actually see Bitcoin just retrace, get a lot of people bullish, maybe get back to this $19,000. A lot of people will be expecting lower prices, and then we'll walk our way back to around $40,000 before we finally drop back to $19,000. Guys, I see that happening. That might be what will happen to get a lot of people wrecked in the market because a lot of cash is still sitting on the sideline. This relief rally Bitcoin has had in this crash has just been up 42%, and in no time in Bitcoin history has the relief rally corresponding a crash has just been 42%. But if Bitcoin gets to that $40,000 region, $45,000 region, we'll see Bitcoin from the lows it has said go up 158%. If we look at the biggest altcoin in the market, Ethereum, it has been outperforming Bitcoin in this relief rally. Even in the dump, it's outperforming Bitcoin to the downside. From the low from Ethereum that came in at 8,800, Ethereum rallied to over $2,000. That's more than a 130% pump in Ethereum in just 58 days. Guys, the bear market is not still over. Even though we are still going to dump in the bear market, I still believe there's still room for us to go higher. Crypto has not retraced just like the way on the stock market has retraced. So maybe, just maybe, something is going to happen in the future. But right now, there's tension in the market. Even though we are seeing a lot of these altcoins pumping on the daily, guys, you have to put this in perspective. If you go on the monthly, a lot of them are giving back all the gains we have had in the last 1 month. Let's take a look at news stories happening in the crypto world. Data shows Bitcoin and altcoin at risk of a 20% drop to new yearly lows. The total crypto market cap dropped to 1 trillion support, and weak stablecoin demands and largely absent funding rates reflects traders' negative sentiment. Guys, be careful out there. A lot of people just turned bullish because the market started pumping, but crypto investor sentiments at the edge of neutral to bearish. We didn't see the crypto fear and greed index turn to greed. It stopped at neutral, and we started heading back to fear. So you want to be careful out there in the bear market. The bear market is brutal and all coins can dump really hard. Just the same way you're seeing all these altcoins pump when the market is pumping. When the market starts dumping, a lot of these altcoins will dump pretty hard. And guys, it's alt season over right now because the altcoin season index is showing us that we are still in alt season. But guys, are we in the ending part of alt season? because in the ending part of all season, it might not look as if Bitcoin are performing these altcoins, but these altcoins will be dumping harder than Bitcoin. Should we start selling our altcoins right now? Because if we leave this altcoin season and we start heading towards Bitcoin season, it means altcoins will be getting the brunt of that dump. Other news happening in the crypto world: Ethereum community split over solution for transaction censorship, social slashing, and even a user-created soft fork have been suggested as possible response to the threat of transaction censorship on Ethereum. Other news happening in the crypto world: crypto volumes are down 55% according to CoinShare. Bitcoin investment product, which includes ETFs, ETPs, Grayscale, GTB, saw a third week consecutive of outflows. Guys, I told you guys the bear market is still in full flow. Usually, the bear market will last longer than you think it will last. So if you think it's going to last 1 year, guess what? We have more time in the bear market. Bitcoin wheels attack sellers at 22,300 as euro drop below USD parity. Bitcoin struggles to make a return to higher levels despite geopolitical uncertainty striking the eurozones. Guys, it looks as if Bitcoin is not acting as a hedge towards inflation. Inflation is rising around the world. We had news that UK inflation might go to as high as 18%. The US have been fighting inflation. That's good for them. But we're yet to see Bitcoin show its strength in these times of uncertainty. Guys, you want to be careful out there because in the last 24 hours, over 65,000 traders have been liquidated. The highest liquidation came on BitMEX. Somebody was trading Bitcoin and it got liquidated for $2.14 million. The largest liquidation in the last 24 hours has happened on Ethereum. $67 million have been liquidated from traders trading Ethereum in the last 24 hours. Guys, be careful out there. You don't want to be buying the dip on leverage in the bear market. That is very, very risky. Other news happening in the crypto world: the crypto fear and greed index is currently at fear. Guys, we headed towards neutral. We thought we were going towards greed, but right now the market is tanking. It looks as if we're recovering all the losses we did last week, but we want to temper our expectations. This might just be a dead cat bounce to get people sucked in to think maybe we're pumping to the upside. The bear market is always very, very choppy and always very, very brutal. So you don't want to go all in on any of these trades and you don't want to get liquidated. Crypto unicorn index is showing us that we only have 52 projects that have a market capitalization of over $1 billion. This is a very, very good indicator to tell us the health of the market. At the top of the market, we had over 135 projects that had a market cap of over $1 billion. You can see that where we are right now is exactly where we were in February 2021 when the altcoins started pumping. Will this factor go down? If it goes down, guys, it means the market is dumping really hard. Top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization in the last 24 hours is still unchanged. Dogecoin currently sits at number 10. Bitcoin, the king of the market, is at number 1. And guys, we still have 3 stable coins in the top 10. We have USD Tether sitting at number 3. We have USDC sitting at number 4. And we have Binance USD that's overtake XRP is currently sitting at number 6. The top gainers and the top losers in the last 24 hours in the top 100 coins. Guys, in the top gainers, we have EOS, Chiliz, Lido Dio, Cov Dio, The Graph, and Bitcoin Cash. In the loser section in the last 24 hours, the highest loser in the last 24 hours is Celsius token. It has been on the tier. It went up more than 400% in the last 1 month, but right now it's down 23% in the last 24 hours. XDC is down 5.44%, HBAR is down 4.35%, and Trust Wallet token is down 4.18%. Guys, let's take a look at some other metrics in the market. The US dollar currency index is pumping to new highs. This is bad news for crypto. Guys, we have noticed that in the past, anytime the dollar is pumping to new highs, crypto is always crashing. Anytime the dollar is dumping, crypto is always pumping. So we'll be looking at this US dollar currency index to see when to turn on itself. We'll expect a huge bull run when it turns on itself, but that might not be now, that might not be tomorrow. The last 3 times the dollar has turned on itself has led to huge bull runs in the crypto market. In December 2016, the dollar topped right here. We had a huge bull run in 2017. In 2020, the dollar topped right here. We had a huge bull run in 2020, entering 2021. Are we going to get a huge bull run in 2023, entering 2024? Only time will tell right now. If we take a look at other metrics in the market, total crypto market cap is below $1 trillion. This is bad sign, guys. We have been holding our $1 trillion in this relief rally. Currently, we're below the $1 trillion level, and if we cannot hold this level, we might see the total crypto market cap drop to as low as $750 billion, which in turn will mean Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to drop to new lows. Only time will tell if that will happen. Be careful with your altcoins, guys. Altcoins are very, very risky in the bear market. Other metrics in the market are telling us that maybe, just maybe, you want to be buying some Bitcoin right now because this Bitcoin dominance is showing us that the exact point where it is right now has been the point where all coins have been pumping. Will this time be different? Will Bitcoin dominance fall to new lows in this cycle, or will it reverse on itself and go to new highs, meaning all coins are going to dump harder than Bitcoin, or Bitcoin is going to outperform all coins, or Maybe altcoins will just go sideways and Bitcoin will continue pumping, but it looks as if the Bitcoin dominance is telling us that a huge move is coming. If it's to the downside, guys, we'll see altcoins pumping to the moon. We'll be shouting kumbaya. But if it's to the upside, we'll see altcoins dumping and Bitcoin will be gaining dominance in the market. Crypto trader double up portfolio in a month betting against Jim Cramer. A lot of people have been saying if Jim Cramer says buy your stock, you want to be selling it. And this crypto trader took that and actually has doubled his portfolio in 1 month just betting against Jimmy Cramer. Bitcoin will stand hedge inflation. Bitcoin will hedge inflation until it hits 1 billion wallets. Scaramucci, the Skybridge CEO, says Bitcoin needs much more proliferation before it can act as an inflation hedge. Other news stories happening. The Telegram founder suggests NFT-like smart contract to auction username. Imagine how successful Telegram with its 700 million users could be if we put reserved usernames, group, channel links for auction. Telegram founder wrote. Crypto security experts rakes in $430,000 salary amid spikes in height. The demand for crypto blockchain security experts come amidst the rise in crypto hacking in 2022. PayPal to add list of crypto heavy hitters on the Trust network. PayPal has stepped up its regulatory compliance by joining Trust to streamline its reporting requirements relating to digital assets travel rule. South Korea financial major wants to create virtual asset exchange in 2022 reports. Samsung Security, Assets and Financial Investments are among the financial heavyweights in talks to the government to create the exchange. NFT lending protocol Ben Dial proposes emergency changes amid credit crisis. We are sorry that we underestimated how illiquid NFTs can be in the bear market when setting the initial parameters, said the Ben Dial dev team. Guys, be careful with your NFTs. Be careful with what you go and leverage your NFTs with. Prosecutors want to claim NFT as securities, alleged legal team of former OpenSea employee. And guys, some other news still happening. Bitcoin and Twitter will become obsolete thanks to blockchain technology. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think this is going to be the beginning of the pump we're going to have this week? Or is this just a dead cow bounce for us to go to lower prices? Bitcoin is still trading below $22,000. Are we going to see Bitcoin go below $20,000 before we get to $29,000? Are we going to see Ethereum break that $1,000 region or maybe $1,200 before the merge? I believe Ethereum might pump into the merge, but it might dump into the merge. Only time will tell. So what will you be doing to your altcoins in this bear market? What will you be doing with your Bitcoin and Ethereum? Will you be selling them right now or will you be waiting for higher prices? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. 7